Not only for clothes, unexpected options for using fabric softener. Few people know, but air conditioning for clothes can serve you well in other matters. 1. Window mix in an empty bottle the fabric softener with water in a ratio of 1:4, apply the product on a napkin and clean the window glass. Then polish with a dry cloth. The window will shine with cleanliness, and no stains. 2. Doors and tiles everything will shine as on the first day after you wash it with water with air conditioning. 3. Jammed runner. If the metal or plastic zipper slider is stuck and walking tight, moisten it with fabric softener. 4. Laminate floors. Dilute a small amount of fabric softener in a bucket of water. Soak the squeegee in the mortar and mop the floors. The laminate floor will look as if it was only bedded. 5. We removed the wool from the carpet. Use a sponge or rag dampened in a softener-water mixture 1:1 to rub the area on the carpet where your pet's coat is. Leave for a while. The softener will make the fibers of the carpet softer and this will facilitate the work of the vacuum cleaner. 6. Old wallpaper. What to do if old wallpapers do not come off? Dilute the cap of the air conditioner in a liter of water, apply the product with a sponge to the wallpaper and leave for 20 minutes. After that, the wallpaper will easily move away from the walls. 7. Leather jacket. If your leather jacket is dirty, do not rush to use soap for cleaning. The softener will cope with this problem more delicately. 8. Car windows. Clean your car glass effortlessly with a fabric softener and water. 9. Car seats. If a stain appears on the car seat, it can be removed using a softener. Mix it with water, apply the mixture on a sponge and rub the contaminated area well. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.